Students at Changzou Foreign Language School start to complain on headache and skin issues after smelling a stranger. Nearly 500 students in Changzou Foreign Language School were detected with symptoms such as abnormal blood indicators and leukopenia due to land restoration work at the old location of the chemical plants nearby.
A central television channel has reported the most discussing issue about environmental. In the meantime, 3 chemical manufacturers who's responsible for the issue and demand to remove the pollution or pay the cleanup costs had been discovered by 2 environmental NGOs on April 17, 2016.
According to the restoration plan, the shed should be equipped with air exchange equipment, and the waste gas should be collected and treated by the activated carbon adsorption device, and then be discharged through a 15-meter high exhaust funnel. But in the whole process of land restoration, this steel structure shed was never built. With dug out toxic soil directly exposed to the air, or simply covered with the thin film, the smell was blown to the campus by the wind, causing headaches and skin problems. The former location of a fertilizer factory is not far from where the school was built. The 266,700 square meter dam was controlled by 3 chemical companies, the largest of which being Changlong Chemical, a pesticide and fertilizer company that had previously been under investigation for breaking environmental rules. The corporation operated there for 50 years before moving to a new location in 2009, despite the school's hazardous chemicals.
The investigations show that some chemicals from the relocated facility has spilled and absorbed into the soil, requiring the need for soil remediation to stop soil pollution. The process of soil remediation involves cleaning and recovering the soil. To protect the populace and the environment, it is the removal of toxins. The restoration of the soil to its neutral, pollution-free state is seen as a benefit of soil remediation. Besides, responsibility shouldn't be passed from the polluter to any successive land user. The 3 chemical plant companies, Jiangsu Changlong Chemical, Changzhou Changlyu Chemical, and Jiangsu Huada Chemicals, should be taken the responsibility for the pollution since these companies are the primary polluter of the land.
In order to prevent soil pollution, the legal requirement to allocate responsibility clearly are needed, namely the 2 regulations that apply to soil pollution, the 2015 Environmental Protection Law and the June 2016 Soil Pollution Action Plan should be improved and address the responsibility issue for pollution. Besides, to use suitable and viable remediation technology, it has fundamentally important with an appropriate but visible technology should be specific in an environmental combined lesson plan. It can relate to the goals of SDG 15 Life on Land, which is protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and halt and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity loss. It is because by 2030, combat desertification, restore degraded land and soil, including land affected by desertification, drought, and floods, and strive to achieve a land degradation neutral world.